Hey everybody, today I'm going to tell you a story using Powtoon. After getting ready, me and my sister went outside to catch the bus. I wondered what I would do today, and then I felt a big sneeze coming. It was too late! It's cute! Ew, is that my snot? Luckily, we pulled up to school before anyone noticed. That's gonna be it for this video. Do you have any embarrassing stories? Bye!